Hey, all, welcome back to another episode. This week, after a great fall in our Indian market, it's a wonderful opportunity. I'm really happy to say that. I'm really feeling happy because I was waiting for this moment for a very long time. So that is happening. So I understand that everybody would be sitting in the negative or loss in their total ROI. Even myself, like my almost like 25% got hit in my portfolio. It may go in red, I don't know, but this video is mainly to explain the current scenario, and I'll walk you through a couple of companies which you can focus and you can plan your similar way, like you can apply with others, any of the stocks, and you can explore whether it's the right time to enter into the company or not. Okay, so let's dive deep into that one. This is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. Okay, so just give a glimpse about the current scenario, what we are facing, all those things. So this is our Nifty, and if you see current Nifty P is 19.7. In our history, it never went to that much low in multiple times. Very rare occasions it went below that one. You can see these are the historical P. This is the median P, and right now this is the state. If you see, whenever it touched this particular level, it bounced back. So this was August 2013. This was 2008 crash, right? So this is 19.7 here, which is 2016, and this is our COVID fall. This is 20.2. Okay, here it's 19.1, which is 2022, right? This was the war time, and P was consolidating overall here, and now again it went down below 20 region, which is 19.7 right now. This is a very good time to consider to look into stocks. So let me share a couple of points in a technical way also. Let's see. If you see the Nifty, okay, this is a weekly. Let me go to daily. So if you see, as per the smart money concept, this is the liquid zone. So if the market falls, it may fall another 1.75 or 2%. Okay, another 2% the market can fall. Apart from that, this is proper liquidity zone, and surely here it may bounce back. Okay, if I draw a trend line like this, so it shows till here, but I feel something that it may bounce from here. Okay, let's see the retracement here. From here, if I see, so it's already crosses 78%. Okay, if I change the low to this one, swing low to this one, assuming this is the swing low. Okay, this is exactly sitting at 61%. This is the A wave and this is the B wave. So I feel if it comes down another 2%, it will be taking a support at 61% level, which is 21,660. I feel this is the area it may get a support. Okay, let's see, fingers crossed. Okay, so this is the current scenario. So Nifty wise, if I say small cap already it's in a liquidity zone. So it may fall further. Another 1.5% is there. So it normally this is a smart money concept. Like wherever the liquidity is there, they'll try to suck the liquidity. And if you see again, let me go back to Nifty again. So if you see, if it touches here and then if I take a clone of this, so if it will go here and then come back and consolidate, and it goes like this. Basically it will go like this. Come here. Okay, this is how it may work. This is kind of a W inverted head and shoulder kind of a pattern. It may replicate the similar pattern here. Or see, this is the resistance. Okay, it will come to this resistance zone. This is the selling happening. So it will come down again. So this is going to be a consolidation phase for this whole year. I'm very eagerly waiting for this year. I don't have much money, so but I have things, my liquid funds. Maybe I have to sell and implement over here. I also have gold, so I need to hedge the gold. I bought gold for hedge, and now it is gold is also I'll touch upon that one. What is going to happen on gold, so that you'll have some clarity on that. So this is what I'm expecting. Let's see, fingers crossed. Let's go. So now let me touch upon the first stock which I'm going to talk about, which is Zydus Lifesciences. Let me go to Zydus Lifesciences. So first thing I'm going to check is Zydus Lifesciences, which is 19.5 is the PE currently. Almost debt-free company. Okay, book value is 217. Okay, it's 88,000 crore market cap. It's a good one. If you see the price to cash flow is 27.3, EPS growth is 17%. Okay, it's a good. Okay, if I see PE, it is almost crashed to 20 now, right? Like this median PE is 23.4. It is trading below the median PE. So right now, PE wise, it is at good. And if I see the sales growth, it is increasing. See, last year it was 5,239. It is more than till December 2024 itself. It has achieved the similar sales growth. And if you see the operating profit, last year it was last quarter. It was not last year. It's last quarter. So last quarter it was 1,460 and last quarter was 1,388 and previous quarter 1,000. And if you see the operating profit is consistently increasing, and here there was a slight because of the US lot of problem happened, right? So because of that it fell. Profit has hit. Margin also, if you see, this was a peak 34, but in an average, if you see 22, 20, 19, 25, it is keep on increasing and it is 26%. So margin also is good. Operating profit margin also. Okay. Net profit also is increasing. If I go to profit and loss, overall, if you see last year and this year sales, it is increased. Expenses also increasing, but operating profit has increased. Operating profit margin also increased. Right? It is growing company. It is still growing. Means still is consistently growing. Right? That is very, very important. So company is very strong, and if you see the cash flow currently is minus 75. It might be like they might be engaged in expanding their unit or something, right? And shareholder pattern, if you see 74.98, consistently promoter is holding the same one. It's a very good thing. Even FIA has increased actually here. DII has increased. So everybody has increased the share till December, but this quarter we need to see once the report comes, we can check that. But overall, if you see Zydus Lifesciences, if you don't know the Zydus Lifesciences company, I have discussed in detail about this earlier. It is simply to say, like, if you know the comp plan or something, right? So that is from their side. So let's check the technical part of Zydus Lifesciences. See, this technical pattern is very nicely forming. Okay, if you see, it is forming that accumulation curve here. It started to form the accumulation curve. Nicely it is forming. So it will go like this. Okay, and if I show you the liquidity thing, okay, so earlier if you see, so this was the liquidity zone earlier. 680 was the liquidity zone. Okay, see this liquidity zone here over here. Slowly it was eating those liquidity zone, and it was consistently, like, see, if you see, it is eating that liquidity, and it is going again. It has eaten that liquid zone also, and it is coming down, right? All these are supply zone. Okay, supply in the sense people will sell here. When it reaches this area, they will sell. So there are so many resistance are here for Zydus Lifesciences. If you see, okay, let's see what is happening here. Like, it is hitting that. See, again it is making a supply demand zone, and it's falling, and again it is going to hit that supply zone, hitting it, and yeah. So now we see there was a liquidity zone here that is gone now. Okay, if I go into weekly chart, see, this is the supply zone. This is the demand zone. Okay, which is at 580. And I don't think so it may go till there, because already it has fallen 35%. Okay, it may not go till here. Going back to the daily chart, so this is forming a very nice curve pattern. You can see this is an accumulation pattern. So this will slowly accumulate, like, and to form this kind of a U shape. Okay, it will form like a U shape here. Okay, and then what will happen is this height, right? This height, whenever it breaks out, it will go to that level, which is 9,004. Which is 1,790 kind of a range. Okay, so this is a good zone. So if we look into like accumulation kind of a thing, it will, every red is a resistance. Every time it hits, it will come back. Every time it will hit, it will come back. Right. So it is not going to be a very smooth rally for Zydus Lifesciences, but that is what we need. We don't want like it goes very fast and you loses the opportunity. I just need to breathe in time. Every month I need to invest, because I don't have money to get every time, right? Every month I get a salary and I need to invest on that. So whenever I get the money, so monthly once I get, so I need to properly allocate my investments. So I need some time to buy at the good price. So this is the good price now till here, right? Till 1,000 rupees is a good price. So I'll try to keep on accumulate over time in this zone. Okay, then I'll not invest. And every time whenever it hits the resistance and comebacks, then I'll slowly add. Okay, so whenever it forms a demand zone, I'll wait for the demand zone to be corrected, and then only I'll buy. I'll show an example for Nifty also. See, this is the demand zone, right? I'll show in the past how it was. Okay, so these are the liquidity zone. Okay, slowly whenever the liquid zone form, it will try to eat that liquidity zone. From here, if you see, it went up and it is coming to this is the demand zone. It has created demand, and again it is sucking that liquid over here. Now they are targeting to this area. So this liquidity will be sucked, and then it will go. See, there again liquidity formed. So it is a demand zone. Even the demand was broken. Now this is a big resistance over here. Yeah, it is hitting the supply, and see, you just track that one how it is going. So now it is going to hit this liquidity zone, and it has to suck entire liquidity. This is what going to happen in this week. Let's see. Now let's shoot the video 1 week earlier. Let's see next week. week what happens. Okay. Coming back to our next stock, which I'm going to check is Marksan's pharmacy. I have already discussed this earlier also. Let me bring that. See, why I'm picking Pharma is going to be the next. Normally that is a defensive one, and that is the one first picks up whenever the US market problem solves, right? And also most of them dollar revenue based companies, so it's good for them, right? So let's see. Marksan Pharma is here. Stock P is 25.2. It is higher than Zydus Lifesciences, right? If I go to P ratio, see, P is high. So now if you ask me whether I will buy, no, I will not buy. But let me show you other fundamental details about this one. Let's see. Sales has increased, right? Operating profit margin little bit. Let's go to yearly one. Okay. If you see, operating profit has increased. Operating profit margin is consistent. Okay. It is growing, but still it is growing, but it is maintaining at 21%. Net profit is 370. What about the cash flow here? Cash flow is positive, right? But last year it was 170, but it is lesser than 1. They might be like doing research and all the acquisition, all those things can happen, but cash flow is positive. Okay, company is debt free. If you see debt to equity, company is almost debt free, right? And if you see the shareholder pattern, 43.87, 43.8, it is consistent, right? And recently it is increased from 43.85. Promoter holding is increased, right? If you see 21.31 to 21.95, FI has increased in the. So fundamentally, company is strong. Okay, but valuation wise, I feel little bit high. But let's check the technical part of this one and let's figure it out how much we need to wait or something. Yeah, if you see Marksan Pharma, this was a head and shoulder pattern formed and it actually went below the correction zone, and see, this is the liquidity zone now, right? So it may fall further 6.7% or it can fall here 32%. We don't know, okay, because the PE is very high, but don't know, it can suck this liquidity and it may return back. If I see the past history when the liquidity zone was where, see, this is the liquidity zone. Before that there was no liquidity zone, so only this is the only liquidity zone currently available, right? So in that case, obviously it will try to capture this liquidity now. Okay, this is the first liquidity zone, this is the second liquidity zone. Whether it goes to 130 or so, let's think from here onwards. Like if it returns here, okay, this is the support zone. This is the support angle I have drawn, right? And let's see RSI is making a divergence. If there is a green candle comes, I'm telling you what I'm saying is like, see, the price action, it is making lower low, but here it is higher low, right? If this again tomorrow it falls and from there it returns, right, then still it will be, you can see a divergence over there, or even it turns from here also, you will find a divergence. So normally divergence is a convergence, right? There's a two types of way you can say. If it's when you're saying divergence, it is a bearish or bullish. When it reverse, so the bullish divergence. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I feel there might be a small correction over here and then it may go up. Okay, and this is the resistance zone, which is 274, but it is a fundamentally strong company, right? That is what I want to show. The next one is Praj Industry. I have discussed about the Praj Industries earlier in very detail. But just to show the basics, let's see what is the status of Praj Industry. Praj Industry, you know, right? Like they are into ethanol manufacturing. They are into making the biofuels. Okay, I have made a detailed fundamental analysis of this company. You can check that. But quickly, let's see. Stock P is 36.1. Whether it is, what is the median stock P? 41. So it is trading below the median P. What is the industry P? 32.21. What is it? It is 36.1. So slightly there is a P gap is there than the industry P, right? Is more than the industry P. And if you see the debt is almost a negligible debt they have. Return on assets almost 9.9, which is a good one. Price to earning P. Okay, where is that one? EPS. It is 35.3%. It has grown the last 5 years EPS, which is a very good one. Okay, 35% is a very good amount, right? And let's see the profit and loss, how it is growing. You can see by yourself. 3,500 last year, like 100 was, so it was slowly consolidating here, right? And here till now it has not reached, so it might be the same level. So this year, performance wise, I don't think it is going to do better now. Operating profit, if you see, it has increased 372, 382. Percentage is same. Okay, profit has increased. Then if I see the cash flow, it's a cash rich now, right? 70, they are cash rich. They can easily close the debt if they wanted. And see the promoter holding 32.81 is consistent almost, right? 32.87 here they have sold something, but 32.81 almost they're maintaining the same position. And FIA has sold the thing and DA has bought. Okay, so that is the Praj Industries situation. Now let's see the technical part of the Praj industry. Yeah, same. So every company, like if you see the liquidity is here only, right? Almost like every company is going to hit the liquidity zone now. Another 7.49% Praj industry may fall. Okay, almost like another 9% it may fall, or it in the mid 5%, or even this the line I have drawn, it may touch here and then may go up. Okay, but overall, let's see RSI is oversold region, and you see there's a divergence formation may possible. Let's see MACD how it is. If I see the MACD, see it has went down, and you can see the green histograms over here, right? That means it is trying to return. Okay, there's a reversal chances are there now. If I go to weekly everything is down. When the daily slowly makes a positive side, weekly also will turn. Okay, so let's keep a tab on this one. So tomorrow next trade it may capture this liquidity zone, and then it may reverse. Okay, that is what I'm guessing. That is what I'm predicting. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Because there are two levels are there for Praj industry. It can go till another 18% also. But if it makes 18%, it will make a lower low, which is a bearish sign. Okay, which is a bearish sign. Then it's a very danger. Okay, it has to form a double bottom, or it has to make a higher low, and then it has to return. So what's that one? Okay, so next one I'm going to mention is, it is called Kaveri seed. I don't know how many of you hear this one. The reason why I have picked Kaveri seed is recent budget, right? A lot of agri based things were discussed. So this is hybrid seed company. They have a lot of hybrid seeds, like 125 plus hybrid seeds they have, and it's a cyclic company. Okay, why is it cyclic? Because the seeds, everything is a seasonal based one, right? If you see their sales, right? If you see March month, June month, always the June month and December month sales will be more. See 700, right? So 800 here. Every June month you see more sales. So that means, so it's a purely, this company is a cyclic company. So again, coming June there might be more sales. So it's current. If you see that it's currently in a dip, let's see how the technical also. But overall, if you see the operating profit margin, it is 8%. Till now it is like not that great. Right now it is speaking because it's a very small, it's a small cap, micro cap kind of a company. Okay, not a micro, it's a small cap company. Okay, and profit and loss. Okay, let's see the cash. So they are cash rich company. Promoter holding is consistent 60.5. They have increased actually. See, so FIA has increased little bit. They have reduced. Okay, public has increased. So overall, the expectation is based on the government policy, the company may do better in the coming days, and it's a cyclic company. So you can easily invest in this company because you know when the sales will be more, right? So that is the easy way to understand when to add more. If you want to do a swing trade, also you can do. Let's see the technical and then we can decide that one. Okay. So this is the Kaveri seeds. If you see the Kaveri seeds, see these all are liquidity zone. Till here it's a liquid zone. Okay. If it falls, it may fall for another 15.8%. But just imagine all are going down. This guy is going up. You see the MACD, it is going up. But in the MACD histogram, you can see divergence over here. Bearish divergence. That means it may fall. Okay. It may fall. Don't know. Right. If I go to 1 week scenario, see this is the liquidity zone. So at least it may try to capture this liquid zone. This is the pattern here. Okay. It may hit and then it may come here and maybe suck this liquidity. We don't know. But this is a good company for a long term one. And if you see very long time, this was like April 2015, it came to this level, and now it has reached that level. It is a multi-year consolidating thing. Okay. If it breaks this particular zone, okay, it will go to 1400, which is almost 45%. Okay. It's a very long-term bet. This is okay, not a short-term one. It's a long-term one. Just keep a tab on this one. That is what I just want to say. The next one I'm going to tell is Varun Beverage. Hope you all heard about the Varun Beverage. If you are drinking Pepsi related products, or having a Pepsi related product, these guys handle those Pepsi related products. Okay. like Sprite, your PepsiCo brands, right? And also they have their own product also. Okay. If you see the stock P is 56.8, what is their historical PE? 65.86 is the median PE. Now it is 56, almost 10 less than. So it is valuation wise, it is very good. And let's see the debt level. Debt level is also not negligible. Book value is 49. Okay, it's anyways, I don't want to worry about book value. They are like traders kind of a thing, right? Okay, let's see the sales, right? How it is growing. See how the sales are 16,000, now 20,000, right? Last year it was 20,000. Now if you see profit loss here, okay, where is the quarterly? Yeah, yeah. So 4,000, 7,000, 3,000, 2025. I don't know like what is that one, but it is increasing, right? Every quarter it is increasing. This December quarter it didn't do well. Normally the cold season, this kind of a thing will see every December. If you see, right, the sales may go down, the profit may go down, right? So this is also like cyclic best one, right? Because cold drinks, soft drinks, people will consume less during the winter season. If you see their cash flow, oh man, look at the cash they have. This is too much, right? So they have very good cash, and promoter holding is little bit reduced their thing, and FIA has increased it, and DA also increased, right? So they have sold to, see who are the FIAs, all government pension companies, investment companies. So DAs, if you see, Nippon Life Insurance, Sundaram Mutual Fund, they are holding this company, right? They are the most holding. So Varun Beverages is a very strong company. Right now its valuation is good. Let's see the technical part of it. See Varun Beverage, this also, if you see the liquidity zone is almost, it has touched the liquidity zone. Okay, this month is going to be, I think so, right? Every stock is going to reverse here. But if you see the MACD is going down, there is no crossover. I'm seeing it. Okay, but histogram wise, there is a divergence. There is a chance it may reverse and consolidate over here. But because nobody is going to be there to buy, FIAs keep on selling, right? Who will buy them? So that way it may consolidate over here, because FIAs selling may reduce, or they won't buy also. Okay, they won't sell also, they won't buy also. So it may be in a sluggish, very low in their momentum. So let's see what happens. Okay, but Varun Beverage is currently in good position, and if it returns, it will get like 56% over. So next one I'm going to give a guidance is, let's check the gold currently. Okay, if you see the gold price, gold was in a momentum. See, gold is an equity. Sometimes the most concept is, when the equity market goes up, gold will go down, or it will be stagnant, because normally gold is for hedging. Whenever there is an inflation happens, people will try to buy gold, and gold price will go up. So whenever there is an inflation happens, gold will act as a hedge, so gold price will go up. Now last year equity also went up, gold also went up. So that is a kind of some issue in the fundamentally. Normally it will not happen, but it happened. Now equity is also going down, and see, if you see last 3-4 days, gold has corrected. Whether it is a correction or it is going to further correct, I don't know, because the liquid zone is here. If it falls another, it may fall for another 8% fall is there in gold if it falls. Okay, because all the market now reverses, right? What will happen is, the gold is already in a very high, so they will sell the gold and they will move to equity now. So this transition may happen. Till now, because of inflation, all those kind of thing, gold went high. The inflation now will reduce. The interest rate may not be reduced very soon, so that the inflation will be contained. So gold may correct, or it may consolidate. So that wise, gold PE may reduce, and gold will whatever the industries, companies which are focused on gold, their stock price may go down. So why I'm telling is, I just want to talk about Thanga Mayil. Okay, I have very long time I'm looking for Thanga Mayil to buy, but I couldn't be able to do that. I'm waiting for it. If it corrects, and if it come and suck this liquidity over here, almost Thanga Mayil may fall for 37% or 47%. Sorry, that is 40% falls, then I will buy. That is what I'm eyeing for Thanga Mayil Jewelry. It is a very good company. I'm from Madurai, so Thanga Mayil Jewelry started in Madurai. I have seen their growth. I have met the people, met the management people over there, and my friends also, like in their family, belongs to their family. So I am eyeing on for a very long time. Let's see how it goes. So this is the last thing I just want to cover about the gold part. Be careful at gold now. Based on my assumption, gold may correct for another 7 to 8% percentage from here. So let's see. I'm not sure. Okay, or it can go till this may be like A and this is B, and it may go like this. For example, this is the A, this is B. Okay, so it may go to this level, which is from here. May go another 13% from here. Okay, if it goes from here. So anything can happen, but fingers crossed. So hope you got the idea about how I verified the companies. You need to see the valuation and also technical. If you only look at the technical part, it may create a lot of problems for you. Using the fundamentals, understand the valuation, and then go and invest. So that will give you more freedom and will give more profit or a return from your investment. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Just give a thanks in the message. That will do. That will really motivate me to make more videos. And don't forget to share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.